Good morning and welcome to our last day. It's my home today, but we do have a park to go to before we leave. We're doing Avengers, and the rest of the rides we didn't do the other day, and then setting off to be home. But let's go. Don't want to waste any time. We are through security. Sad faces, but also happy faces. The guy told me because I look sad, just put in a job application so I could stay here. We're trying home. Maybe Disney World, not here. I could maybe do Disney World and then here.
Should relocate to Southern California.
Actually,
would relocate to Southern California, but not North California and not LA.
Technically, this is Southern California. Well, let's go. Let's get in. Oh, like a 30-minute wait. I don't think it's going slowly.
No, that wasn't. That was a big dip.
Just gotten off Goofy Spike School, and not fun. It was like mouse trap in the UK. It was awful. Whiplash. Surprised I don't have it, but now we're going on the wheel. Just come off the Ferris wheel. That wasn't too bad. Better than I thought. I was dreading it, because I don't like Ferris wheels. I think it's for them who are younger and everything was very windy and blowy and rackety, and I was like, I'm going to far. But yeah, I think we're going to go Avengers now.
My t-shirt.
Oh.
What time like I want to go and have a look at, can we go and have a look at, before we can we look at the Doctor Strange bit?
You can also go on a ride. Web slinger time. So let's see who wins on this. Me or Hannah?
I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have Kim particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature. Because it's awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be really
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry for shouting. Could you just call someone else, ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
We're sat down for some dinner. We've ordered from Pim's Test Kitchen. Web slingers, had a one. First time for everything. Yeah, we've got some pasta, some toast, I think, who knows, but she's going to get it. That's the change. It's like, I'm playing Monopoly, I don't know where I did it. Hopefully shows that one. A little bit windy over section, filming. I was just saying the food has arrived. some out with some potato tots. Hopefully Hannah's gonna get some barbecue sauce, potato and tomato sauce. Bronnator.
Right, go. We're off. Oh yeah, the switch. Whee!
We are off. That is mini. Oh, excuse me.
When one of them comes out, they're all out.
Yeah. We're off out of GTA. I do have my soft scoops. That's lovely. A soft scoop from Soft Serve. One of them from the Cozy Cones, which is delicious.
It's good ice.
But let's go pick our bags up and head to the airport.
The dress on and everything.
Yeah.
That was hilarious. What are you looking at?
Hello. Once again, I have not ended the vlog and I've made it to the end. But this just isn't the end of this vlog. It's the end of mine and Hannah's California adventure series. I do hope you liked it. We enjoyed going. We enjoyed San Fran, LA, Disneyland, and I'm sure we'll go back, not soon, because we like to visit other places first, but we'll be definitely back to Disney, definitely back to Universal, because I really enjoyed those two. Yeah, trip highlight for me was Golden Gate Bridge, that was really good. Disneyland, Universal, Beverly Hills Hotel was stunning. Also getting to go to the Beachwood Cafe. I wonder if I do always think if we sat in a seat that Harry sat in. What else? I'm trying to think what we actually did. This obviously is a little bit later. I am filming this in October, as basically the vlog goes up, because I am a procrastinator. Nothing. Oh, I'm back to July. Yeah, July. We went before July. Oh, San Francisco in Disneyland. I love Big Hero 6. So meeting Baymax and eating Baymax was such a good highlight. Eating all the Disney snacks, that was also really good. Is there any bit I didn't like? No. Oh, Warner Brothers Studio Tour, that was really good. Oh, although they did sort me into the wrong house. They sorted me into Hufflepuff. I am a Ravenclaw forever and always. Yeah. Also getting to sit on a Sheldon seat was also a highlight. Really Big Bang Theory fan. Oh, what else? There was also the Harry Potter there. Downside, no Hagrid's at Universal, but we move. Yeah. Also at the Griffith Observatory, that was really good. Didn't realise what actually was there before we went. Oh, labour, actually getting the meatball, the pound Wagyu meatball, was absolutely stunning. It was like literally melting in the mouth. Here, if you don't know, is a picture of it. It was massive. Oh wait, here's me with it, because I was really happy. That's why I wanted to go to that restaurant. $46 was worth it. It was expensive, but it's LA. It's LA, baby. What are you gonna say? Yeah, what do you call them? Super Nintendo World, that was really good. Just a frozen Butterbeer. Who doesn't want one of those every day? Yes. Also meeting the Minions. That is my favourite photo of mine and Hannah's favourite photo of the whole trip. Yeah. So yeah, I will end it here. Also, you'll only have to go without for a week, because me and Hannah are off to St. Patrick's on Friday. We're going to Sherwood this time, so I am one of the few that I work at Wenfell, so it's quite nice because even when we go on holiday, it doesn't feel like I'm at work. It feels like I'm on holiday. But we've chosen to go further afield. We've chosen to go to Sherwood. It's about a 3-hour drive from where we live, but we're setting off a 3.5-hour drive from where we live, but we're setting off from, I'm going from one set of parks to another. So on Friday, I'll be work on Friday morning, and then we set off in the afternoon. So we'll set off from Winfell Forest and we'll go right down to Sherwood Forest, which I find quite funny. But obviously I'll be bringing you on for the ride. I hope you'll enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye!